Hey everybody, Mike here at Riverview Turfworks out of Van Buren, Arkansas. So today we're going to go over our landscape lighting maintenance packages, alright? So you probably already know we do low voltage LED landscape lighting installs. We're also doing maintenance packages for these. Let's get this big announcement out of the way before we go further into this video though. So whenever we do an install, the product itself has a manufacturer's warranty that's standard, and our labor for that install, we give a 1-year warranty on our labor. I'm very proud to say here that we're doing something that nobody else is doing, and if you sign up for our maintenance packages for lighting, we're going to give you a warranty on everything for the entire course that you're using this for our maintenance package. So if it's 10 years from, if you sign up tomorrow and it's 10 years later and you have an issue, no questions asked, we're going to take care of whatever it is. You're not going to be charged a penny for that repair, and it's going to be warranted. Okay. But let's get into the juice here on our maintenance packages. So whether it's a system that was sold and installed by us, or a system where maybe you installed it yourself or you had another company install it, we can offer maintenance packages on both of these. Okay. So here's one of our typical uplights here. What that maintenance package is going to include, it's going to include recurring visits, of course. When we get there, we're going to clean all of the housings and also all of the lenses on the lights, okay? If we need to re-aim any of the lights so they're pointing in the right direction, or maybe they're leaned over a little bit of its pathway light, we will do that. If you have any bulbs that are burned out, we're not going to charge you for the bulbs, we're just going to replace them. We're going to go ahead and wipe off your transformer while you're there. Take a look at everything. Make sure there's not any wires that have been maybe uncovered by drainage issues or dogs or digging or something similar. It's something that's going to keep your place looking great all year long.